Playing OG Fun Monkey Whore. Again. Oh, that's bright. Let's go. Oh, my back hurts. Mike M? What the heck? Let's go. Let's go. That's how my bed is. Go. Hopefully they have new maps. Let's go. Let's go. Backrooms. I'll go to Backrooms under. Oh my gosh. This is new. Is there people in here? Public. Please be people in here. Please be people. I'm not trying to go. I'm not trying to go alone. Let's go. Yay. Yay.
Wait, Spencer, think about it. Think about it.
I can't see nothing.
Traps are over here.
Got a trap?
This is bad. Oh, people are here. People are here. I'm scared.
Let's go. Follow me. This way.
If you lead me to the monster, bro.
The monster. I bet the monster's camping.
Is the monster scary?
No.
Okay,
It's
good.
just a stick man. It's just a stick man.
Bruh.
In one lobby that I joined, there was 3 of them.
Oh, no. What's wrong with that?
This way. Ow.
Yes.
Anybody want to play mini games?
No, I'm good.
Run away from the mini game, kid monster.
I hear them. I hear the people. I hear the people.
Wait, where'd you guys go?
I hear them.
Should have been following us. Wait up.
You should have been following us, man.
I was.
Uh-oh.
Found you guys. Ow.
Good.
Hold up, I hit myself. Oh. To get him out, you have to go into the yellow slide.
No, I'm good. I ain't doing it.
Don't go all the way in. Yeah, don't go all the way in. You will get kicked. Huh? And sent to main lobby. What? He won't come out like that.
How do you
Don't
get
just do it, please. You gotta go through the blue slide. You gotta go through the blue. No one. Yeah, yes, you do. That's how you get it.
We're the cool kids. We made it.
Wait,
I don't. It gets some stuff. Bro, I feel like it's gonna choose.
No.
It's gonna send you to main lobby.
And I'm low battery.
You go down if you want to. No, yeah, you go down.
See, there's stuff.
You're what?
You know what? I'm gonna go. I'm just going. I don't even care for 3. I'm going to the blue one. 3.
No, don't. You're gonna go. You're gonna get sent to main lobby. Shut up. All right, bet. Watch it. Go. You can go.
Nah. I'm going.
And now I know that.
Hey, I'm gonna come back. Watch. I'm gonna come back. Right?
Bro, he came by himself, bro. He didn't make any
I will
sense.
see you guys. No, I did.
Don't be scared. Go. Don't be scared. Go.
Where's sword?
Go.
I'm not scared. Fight me, kid.
Black.
Oh,
Wait, you came back?
yes.
If you encounter.
Did you get kicked? Did you go all the way down?
Yes.
Why is your mic so loud?
Huh?
Yeah, it probably has like a.
Oh my gosh, I haven't seen the pan in a long time.
I'm recording a video right now. Say hi to your.
So am I.
So am I.
Whoa, in chat. What's your YouTube channel, chat?
Mike
I
is.
only do TikTok.
I know what it
only
is.
do
I know
TikTok.
mine is. I know mine is.
Why'd you say you're doing a YouTube video?
No, I said I was doing a video.
Oye, papi. You did it.
Chat, if I see that, if I hear or even see that
The
the
monster
monster started.
We found a slide, but the monster.
Does. Oh, here's some of this.
It did it.
This guy doesn't know where he's going.
It's like,
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Bet, we
Yeah,
can do that.
he showed me the way. He showed me the way.
This is the guy to the video chats. Say hello to Mysterious Black Man who
Yo, more people! Yo,
more
where's
people.
where's the
exit is
exit
right
again?
here.
Where's the exit again?
But
It's right here.
but he's
It's
lost.
there
Don't
again.
go, don't go, don't go.
He's stuck.
You gotta go in the blue.
Go in here,
Go.
He just did that. I can't believe he just did that.
This level doesn't seem too bad.
Oh,
No, it is.
oye, papi.
it looks like baby's fun.
Hey, what's that music? I wanna go.
Me
It's
too.
the monster.
I wanna-
It's the monster.
Oh, watch my friend.
At night.
Where's me? Where's me?
Congratulations.
I'm putting
No,
first.
I don't got it. I don't have the blue key. I don't have the
Where
blue
did
key.
he come from? Where did he come from?
Where's the blue key? Where's the blue key?
We don't need a blue key.
Yes,
Did
you
you get the
do.
key? Did you get the key?
No, look.
I wanna know because I never completed it.
Look. Here, I'm gonna go search
You
in
didn't
the.
get the blue. You didn't get the key.
No. Where is it?
Last word before I go.
Follow me.
My kid is watching. I'm black.
My headset's gonna die.
See you guys on the flip side.
Over here.
I'm black, and my kids.
If
are
we
black.
die, bro.
Hey, what about your?
He's just
Alright, Spencer, call the
Normal.
group.
She's
Call the
white,
group
but the
chat.
black of the white is down.
Well, this is the time I go.
Oh, that looks scary.
oh shit! You scared me.
You know what?
I thought you were gone. I thought you were gone. I was just looking over there. I was just looking over there.
I'm going.
I was just lost. I was like, wait, everyone died? Oh my god, not again.
Please.
Don't go, don't go.
Oh,
I'm
What's in
fighting
here?
for my harm, dude.
Yay!
Oh,
Oh,
my
it's just
fucking God.
It's just a ball pit.
Where are you?
Anyways, we're trying to look for the
I don't
exit,
know.
guys. I know where the exit is. Follow me.
We're also trying to
Don't
figure
you
it
just
out.
need to go back.
I need a key though. I need a key. I don't have a key.
Guys, come to our
Yeah, he
places.
needs the key.
And I don't know where the
feel
key
like
is.
the monster is camping at.
Oh,
He's
no,
camping
no,
right
no,
on that
no.
side. Yeah, it's over here. It's over here.
No.
Go.
Right here, right here, right here.
There's nothing
Over
there.
here,
Oh, no,
the
yes,
key.
there is.
Alright, now let's go back. Yippee! We have to go that way.
Damien, where are you?
Yo, he's
Yo, he's
stuck.
just chilling, right? He's just chilling.
Yeah, he's just chilling.
Is he stuck in the slide?
No, don't! Come
Not
on.
anymore.
What do you mean?
Run, run, go, go,
You
go.
got him unstuck?
Nah, I'm joking. He's still stuck. He's still stuck. He's still stuck.
The monster's camping. The monster's camping. Oh my god, are you serious?
3, 2, 1.
Congratulations.
Bro, why is
Yeah,
he
that doesn't work.
camping?
And someone has to die. One of you guys has to die.
I'm sorry, guys.
I'm not. No, Black! Stop! No, Black! No, stop. Black, stop.
Turn it down.
Black, stop. Don't do it, Black. No, don't do it. Don't do it.
Stop making a video. I'm gonna cut the video.
Yes, I died.
I'm gonna cut the video.
Help.
Sorry.
No, cause he.
Alright, let's go.
Where are we?
Help!
Alright,
We're in the back. Where do we go?
I know where to go. I know where to go.
Yo,
Follow me.
you sure?
Follow me, boys.
You
I
sure?
sure. Yeah. Yes, I'm sure. I'm sure.
Yo, Blue, I don't think you're sure, bro.
I was lost.
Yeah, Blue, you're just
I'm
going
very
random
sure.
directions.
I'm very sure.
No,
You're just going-
yo,
Actually, no,
no,
it's over
don't.
here. Yeah, it's right here.
Don't follow Blue, bro. Don't follow
It's over
Blue.
here.
He
Yo,
can
Blue
get
is
you killed.
retarded.
You go
Don't follow
here.
him.
No, it is
Over
over
here?
here. It is over here.
Yeah,
It is over
Blue
here.
was, bro, assault.
No, it is.
No, it's right here.
Oh my god.
It's right
Oh my
here.
god, Blue, stop being a little
Blue,
faggot,
just
bro.
stop going random ways and just fucking go to the way, dude. Please.
Oh my god, bro. Everyone.
It's this way.
help
It's
Blue
this way, bro.
fast.
It's this way. It's not that way.
What? We've been here.
Over here.
Been here like to be right here.
Yeah, guys, I think Blue's lying, dude.
Get a load of these
Yo,
guys,
Blue,
man.
you're a fucking faggot, bro. Everyone, let's go my way.
Right here. Yeah. I don't know if you got it. Never mind.
Yo,
What
what is that?
I need my other team.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, follow black. Right here. I know how to do it. I know how to do it. No, you're red. It's red. I like level green. Get no up here. Told y'all. Please. No, you're big spot. Right here. Wait, fix what? Oh my god, let's go.
We used to be able to shoot through and cut through it right here, but we gotta take the long way. Which the long way, the monster can't kill us.
No, but the monster's gonna be camping though.
Come on, let's go. Keep
Wait
following.
for us!
You gotta come across a couple of slides. We're gonna pick the red one. The red one's the vital. It's gonna help us level fun though. I think
Yeah.
it's gonna be level fun. We're gonna be teleported to level fun.
I haven't made it past the water level yet.
I have. And let me tell you,
It's over here.
right here, go down the red one.
I saw
Trust
it.
me.
I saw it. I saw it.
I'm going down.
Hey, I freaking
Anyone know where
slug.
the exit
Man.
is?
I'm not playing this
Anyone?
one. Let's play a different one. I don't want to play it anymore. Put me back. Hallways, Run Remake, Sandbox, Forest, Maze, Office, Devtown, Crossbase, Meetup, Place, Sewer, Corner, Run, Quiet Place. They don't got no new maps, bro. Are you sure? Crossbase is
Girl, get.
We all died.
I said run. Okay, run. Guys,
Run.
it's alright. We're fine.
Bro, I'm gonna go.
Hey, right behind you! Oh my gosh, we're trapped.
I got it.
Don't worry. Run.
Guys, nobody told me why I'm like this.
I'd be like, let go.
Come on. Alright, let me try. Place. What is place? No, I hate this one, bro. That one's not even scary. Sewers. Come on now.
Go back. Go back. Bro, he's chasing us.
Yo!
Really? Oh no, he's not. Bodash, is it chasing you, my Bodash?
Yo,
Yes, my
he's
Bodash?
fast.
Okay, Bodash,
He's
going,
fast,
Bodash.
by the way.
Bodash, run. Bodash, run, Bodash. Come on, Bodash, run. Bodash, don't do that, my Bodash. You're gonna lose your stamina way more faster, my Bodash.
You're lying. Hey. Oh.
my God, go!
Yeah, nah. Hallways. What is hallways? Is this a new map?
Am I supposed to be?
I was wondering how tall. I was
Oh!
wondering how tall this monster was, and now I know.
Ah, yeah, I know too, bro.
It's not that tall. And I believe they go this way.
You want to hear what the monster sounds like? I want to hear what the monster sounds like.
Oh my gosh. Oh my loudness is that.
I hate that. I straight up hate that.
It's too loud.
Clear, come on. I believe it.
They're over there.
Civilization! Civilization! Get over here! Oh.
Why are people running? Oh, frick no. Here, yeah, here, yeah. Oh my gosh. What the loudness is that, bro?
What the heck is that?
Why are you hearing that?
Okay, we're gonna die in there. I am the Flash.
Oh, why is it so loud, man? I'm gonna have to turn it down for real.
You don't go in there. Just don't go in there.
Why?
Okay? Because you might get ended, and you might die. You might actually, and they might be they might be a monster in here, and you don't want to die. Okay?
Should we go over
You might
there?
actually get stuck when you're running. You must run. You must try your hardest.
Oh, you scared me. You scared me.
Bro, this monster is loud.
Yeah, let's go.
But yeah, guess what? I'm the Flash.
Oh my gosh, man.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm done. Hey, I'm done. I'm done.